Yeah, set in the EKS cluster, control plane components, we no need to manage. Those are managed by AWS itself. Node groups also, we have both managed we have, or we can create even self-hosted also, we can manage. So now through GUI we are creating, or through AWS CLI, EKS, CTL, like that also we can create, or like through Terraform also we can provision the cluster. No, no, not like this. So go to EKS,
Okay.
not
That.
EC2. Yeah, directly go for EKS. So now here this is the managed service, Elastic Kubernetes service. So now here we need to create a Kubernetes cluster. What is the latest version is there?
One, three, three.
1.33.32.31. Yeah, choose 3.1 or 3.2. Later upgrade to higher version.
Okay, sir.
So instead of directly using, so we may start at 1.225 like this. Currently we have 1 point, like for every 3 to 4 months, Kubernetes is releasing a major version.
Okay, sir. Shall I create, sir? Yeah.
Yeah, create it. We need to create an IAM role also. VPC, as of now, go with the default itself.
Okay.
So what is the role you have given? IAM role.
So one is default I have taken. One is I created a role, sir.
Yeah, what
With
is that role? Show me that.
that one EKS role.
Yeah,
Create.
EKS controller.
Just I'm.
So that role is mandatory for node groups. We have one role. For control plane, we have one role.
Actually, I have given this admin policy only directly. I
Not
have
direct.
given.
Don't give directly that.
Okay, sir. I will remove this permission. EKS controller.
Yeah, search for EKS. Not EKS. Yeah, EKS cluster policy. That role, save it. That role. Yeah, that role we need to choose. EKS cluster role. We need to choose.
Okay, sir.
As of now, it's still creating.
Okay, sir. Creating still.
After that, try to change that role. Even through Terraform also we can create. Okay, come to Terraform tutorial also. So Terraform AWS tutorial. Scroll down, AWS services. Yeah, so now here everyone need to provision in Kubernetes cluster also through Terraform. That git clone, copy that git one. Yeah, only copy that repository in the browser. So try to understand this Terraform module, and we need to explain we have written this complete code also. Okay, that means modules like we will reuse mostly, but we need to customize the modules as per our requirements. So now here what is the module we are using is provider is AWS. So what is the module we are using? Which are choosing the available zones with the data source. Then VPC module we have used and creating those. Then EKS is one module we are using. EKS managed node group is another, and even we are creating the IAM roles also for the like node groups and control plane also we are creating those IAM relevant policies. Okay, so this is using again come to module source. What is the module source we have in the main.tf itself? So EKS module, what is that module source? Scroll down. This is the EKS that's module already developed by
Terraform.
Terraform. That's we are reusing that again. Okay, so try to give your own names and in the local go up. Yeah, so what are the locals we have given? So these all try to modify in your driver script. You don't want education-EKS, you try to modify this script. Okay, so once you clone this one, you
Okay.
modify these details, you check the VPC cider ranges, all those, and how many nodes you want, which range you want. Okay, so those all you identify and use Terraform, plan, init, apply, all these we need to perform. I hope you got it right. Once you clone this, these are all the steps we need to perform.
Okay, sir.
So these modules, all these modules also, we need to explain. We have developed all these modules from the scratch also.
Sir, I have done manually, sir.
Yes, I got it. But try to create through this one.
Okay, sir. Directly.
Okay. So that, through that, even EKCTL also is one method. Cloud formation also one method. But you need to tell
Through Terraform, we have
through
created.
Terraform we are provisioning. And that modules also, like we are just using the driver script and we are using those already EKS modules. But that modules also we need to tell we have developed. Okay, so go to another browser,
Okay.
search for Terraform EKS module GitHub. No, no, not this one. AWS EKS only you go. AWS EKS. Here we'll have that main.tf. Scroll down. At this main.tf, actually all the resources we will have. EKS cluster, this is creating that name, all these we are passing from this. Means we are reusing this module, but this also we need to explain like we develop from
Scratch.
scratch. Okay, in the
So
previous script, that is the driver script. This is the child module. We are calling VPC module, EKS module, node group module. Like this, we are calling them.
yes.
To check the status on that, still that is creating. So even we need to perform upgrade also. In the same way, we can create GKE clusters or AKS clusters, but Kubernetes is almost same, but those are managed services.
Sir, how can we take the access to EKS CTL? Means this is not EC2
Yeah,
instance now.
from the cloud console, try to come to AWS cloud console.
Okay.
So shell open that. That shell is there, right? Right click and open in another node.
Okay. Active.
Yeah,
Computer
that
is
is
a
active, right? Yeah. So come to that new tab,
new
new
tab.
tab,
Okay, sir.
new browser,
Okay.
browser tab. Yeah, connect it to EKS cluster. Connect it to EKS cluster from kubectl. So everyone try to connect from AWS on instance also install AWS CLI. From that also try to connect.
AWS CLI.
Yeah, so here that's AWS EKS region is there, right? Before that HTS token. Yeah, come back, come back. Yeah, that no, no, these tabs itself. Repost one option would be there. Open that repost one. AWS repost.
AWS
Yeah,
repost.
yeah, yeah. Go up.
Okay.
Repost. Mm, Scroll down. Search for Control F repost.
Yes, repost is
Yeah,
there.
that you go. So here we have this step. Scroll down. Yeah, here this is the
This one, sir.
no, no, scroll down. Yeah, this one cluster region.
Okay, cluster.
So that region and cluster name you modify those.
Cluster name.
Name in the GUI what you have given.
Create an alternative graph.
Yeah.
Plastic. Mhm.
Region is correct.
Reason is correct. Oh,
Mumbai it is.
it's Mumbai. AP South one.
Yeah. Yeah. Type. This is the endpoint. All these details we are getting as of now. Come to that repost option. Scroll down. Not this. Not this. No. Come back. Yeah, this is fine.
These two commands only there.
This is on the commands. So,
Describing the cluster and getting the SVC.
yeah, type kubectl. Get nodes. You type kubectl get nodes.
It's already typed. Yes.
Second. This is not able to connect to that API server.
Yes, sir.
1 second.
Get nodes.
No, no,
Hyphen.
they still be not connected to. We just on the D. 1 second. That come to that node browser itself. Scroll up, back, come back.
Back, sir.
Yeah, back.
Okay.
Scroll up. Yeah, this one. This no, no. Scroll down. Yeah, that expand. Yeah, this update config. Yeah, update that.
EKS region, AP South. Bed config my cluster. Yes,
Yeah,
sir. It's
now try to run that. As of now, we don't have any node groups, right? kubectl get namespaces. By default, it tries to search for default namespaces.
yes,
kubectl get pods,
no
because in
resources.
the default namespace we don't have. So
Yes, sir.
kubectl get pods, kubectl get pods, hyphen hyphen all hyphen namespaces. So now here we have cube system,
Uh, okay. No. Default are there. No, sir. Cube system is there. And
but that is also in the pending state as of now.
because
Still that is getting created, I think.
maybe so.
Okay,
Sir.
so now try to add the node groups.
So pods or nodes.
No, no,
Nodes.
come to compute.
Okay.
So here we can create the nodes, built-in node pools or node groups.
Okay. Shall I add
Yeah, try to add it.
node group one?
So this node group role also, it should be separate one.
Separates. Okay. AWS service. EC2.
No, not it. Yeah, for EC2. Yeah.
Yes. Next. Search for EKS. Yes. Node policies.
Yeah, worker node policy.
Mm.
So even search for EKS CNI policy.
Okay. So,
So try to add multiple roles.
okay, we are adding EKS CNA policy as well
EKS
as
CNI policy.
sir. And
Even
worker
search for, sir, one more also. EKS container registry policy also, because to read those images. EC2 container,
container policy.
EC2.
EC2. Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's already selected. Okay. Yeah,
No.
read on. Okay.
So notebook policy. Launch template Kubernetes table labels,
Yeah,
tails,
those
tag.
are no issues. Those.
So Amazon Linux I will take Ubuntu.
Yeah, anything is fine. Amazon Linux only take.
Okay. It has to be at least large, sir, medium.
Not required. Normal only choose it. We'll see.
But pods will be in pending state if
Yeah, we'll
I
see that. Yeah, yeah.
discuss size 20
Yeah,
is
20 GB is fine. Desired you keep two only.
okay.
Maximum you can keep three.
G. Update strategy.
No need as of now default. Yeah, we can enable later also, no problem. Yeah, choose that multiple subnets. Yeah.
One create.
Yeah, as of now, taints, all those we can attach later also.
So
So now this is having a auto scaling group also. Automatically, this feature is cluster auto scaler. Depends upon the scaling conditions, it can auto scale also. So these nodes also backend it create easy to instances that roles we are going to give. Okay, says go to computing itself. Spend lot of time on this part.
okay, sir.
So minimum 3 to 4 hours spend on the networking add-ons. Go up, go up. Yeah, say networking, logs, update history, observability. Spend lot of time on this.
But first one is to check the cluster, sir, for
That
discover.
is, yeah, cluster cube config details. Those are it's getting.
So this is for
This is
connecting.
like we cube config is the file from where kubectl will connect to that API server.
Okay,
In the
sir.
cloud shell, we have only like kubectl we have, but the EKS is on separate mission. Okay, that's we are getting that like API server details. All these we are configuring into kube config.
You can't. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we can have a multiple Kubernetes clusters. We can configure multiple kube config settings, and we can switch between those two clusters also.
Okay, sir.
So we'll create two clusters also. We'll switch from one cluster to I want to work in both the projects. That also I can switch and try to practice even connecting from one AWS EC2 instance. You install all these prerequisites and connect to the EKS cluster also.
Okay, sir. Like EKS CTL and AWS
Yes,
CLI.
yes, AWS CLI, kubectl, all those on the one mission install. Then we need to connect to that mission.
Okay, sir. So we can connect from my host
Yes, yes,
system.
from that host mission also you can connect. But all those prerequisites need to be done.
So in real time, we have only one cluster, sir. Actually,
No,
we
no, multiple clusters we may have. Multiple projects wise, some companies having 5 to 10 clusters also.
okay.
So those add-ons also we need to check it.
So for observability, sir.
Observability logging, like we'll have ELK, all those will be enabling. But we'll get some logs, all those also from the observability.
For with this add-on,
Yeah, we
metrics.
need to add metric server even for a horizontal pod autoscaler. For all those, metric server is mandatory.
Okay, sir.
On top of our control plane components, like additional this cube dashboard or maybe CSI kind of all these add-ons, we can install them. Scroll up.
This one only, sir.
Yeah, node groups. Okay. Okay.
Shall I go to the cluster, sir?
SS cluster.
Okay.
So there add-ons you go.
Add-ons. Matrix server is installed.
Yeah.
So internal resources will be stored in this cube
The
system.
cube system.
Still it is creating.
Yeah, still it takes some time, but through Terraform also try to provision.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
So
these
normally,
come again.
normally we use this Terraform configuration in pipelines, sir.
Yes, yes. All this for production it would be there. For dev and QA environments, we'll provision each and every time also.
Okay, sir.
So once our work is done, we are going to delete that. For the production, we don't delete each and every time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Means suppose this configuration is there, sir. For normally we used to install these things. Actually, in Terraform also we need to give these steps only, sir.
To connection, we need to give.
Okay, only.
Provisioning, Terraform will take care.
Okay. So we are using modules, so that's why
Yes,
we
yes.
will
Terraform modules
display
we are
these things.
using. Yeah.
So for these will be installed in the master as well as worker also,
From
sir.
where we need to connect, on that we need to run this.
Okay.
So that is once we got that endpoint, all those. Okay. So these all we are going to install kubectl, all those we are installing.
Okay, sir.
So from that we are connecting to that. So this how to manage this, we'll discuss in the tomorrow session.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Try to create through Terraform also.
Okay, sir.
But others also please try to create, because mandatory we require very good hands-on on the Kubernetes, EKS, AKS. Okay, then only we can survive in the job. Okay, architecture related, I'll share one video that also try to finish that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.